Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this rainbow inspired look, obviously for Pride Month this month. Happy Pride Month to all of you guys out there. Obviously I'm going to be using the new Morphe palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. Literally the packaging is so cute, and the actual box it comes in is really cute too. So I'm going to like put it behind me with all the rest of my cute packaging. And then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And it does have a mirror, and actually it really does have names on all of them, which is amazing because I know that is a big complaint with palettes like these. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm just applying my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer all over my eyes, bringing that up towards the brow bone too. Then I'm taking this big fluffy Morphe brush and I'm taking the color Milk and just applying that all over my lid for a smooth base. Basically all the brushes I'm using is Morphe, by the way. But anyways, and then I'm going in with the color Life and applying that in my very inner corner and just kind of blending that out and up. Sorry, I don't remember the names to these brushes, but I'm using basically all the ones in my James Charles collection, except for this brush. It came in a different Morphe collection, but this is the color Pride, and I'm also just blending that in with the red, blending it up and out. And then I'm taking the shade Sunlight and I'm applying that right next to the orange, and I'm blending that out and up like the rest of the shades I've been doing. And I literally love this yellow shade, you guys. Like, it is so gorgeous. Yellow is probably my favorite like vibrant shade of all time to even use. I also apologize because this video didn't turn out the way I wanted to. I'm out of frame a lot. But then I'm taking this Morphe brush and I'm taking the shade Nature and applying that right next to that yellow, and I'm blending it again. I'm taking this blue from the James Charles palette and applying it in my outer corner because I couldn't find one in the 25L palette that I really wanted to use because they're kind of shimmery, the blue ones. But then this cut out for some odd reason. I don't know why, but then I used Truth on the very, very outer corner for that purple shade. And now I'm just kind of going in and retouching the colors and trying to blend it as seamlessly as I possibly can. So yeah, again, I really apologize for some of this footage. Like, I'm out of frame for a lot of it and like I feel horrible, but I really wanted to get this video up for you guys. I want to film more tutorials and it's like a learning process for me. But anyways, then I'm just cutting out my crease and I'm using the Jeffree Star concealer and just cutting it like I did the other one. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. But then I'm taking this eyeshadow brush I got in my Ipsy bag, and then I'm taking the shade Libertation and applying that all over my lid. You guys, this shade is literally gorgeous. It's a white shimmery shade with like green reflex in it, and oh, it's so gorgeous. I literally, like, I'm obsessed with it. It's blinding, and the formula is actually kind of weird. It kind of feels like the ColourPop formula in a way. So then I took the brushes and I'm literally just applying exactly what I did to the top to the bottom. So the red, the orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, etc. And I'm trying to copy that on the bottom with no additional product, just using the rest that I had on the brush. But yeah, you just completely couldn't even see what I'm doing. So again, I apologize. I'm literally so sorry. Best friend! I didn't notice it was you! What are you doing? Don't touch my face.
I'm not going to. I can just surprise you.
Wow! I literally was like, who the is that? I thought it was Michaela again. I was about to be like, you dumb. Hi! Hi! What are you doing?
Ooh. I missed you!
I
oh my god!
Come here.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
I'm recording a YouTube video.
That's fine. I
For
know,
Pride Month.
Ryan told me.
Oh, wow. And then I'm using this Tarte Treasure Pot, and it's like really chunky glitter. I'm trying to find the best way to explain it, but it has like really chunky silver circle pieces and like stars and moons, and it's really, really pretty, and I just thought I would tie this look together. Alright guys, and that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.